Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes homemade. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are perfectly combined. This ensures an even distribution of leavening agents, which is key for fluffy pancakes. Getting this step right sets the foundation for delicious results. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk 1 large egg with 1 cup of milk. Then, add 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for tender pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so resist the urge to make it perfectly smooth. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. You'll know it's ready when a drop of water sizzles and evaporates quickly. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them gently and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade pancakes. Serve them immediately, stacked high on a plate. They are wonderful with a generous drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or even a dollop of whipped cream. These fluffy, golden pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or a leisurely brunch. You've just created a truly delicious and satisfying meal from scratch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.